Expected by millions of iPhone SE 2 will not be at all iPhone SE 2, iPhone 8 is, but iPhone 9 isn't. Disorder. The iPhone SE model, released in 2016 and already discontinued, remains one of the most beloved among Apple smartphones. Many fans of the company are looking forward to the release of its Air. According to rumors, these dreams will come true in March 2020. According to the Japanese thematic blog Mako Takara, the smartphone will not be called iPhone SE 2 at all, as previously assumed. The smartphone will be promoted as an Air and an updated version of the iPhone 8 based on the A13 Bionic platform. And his name will be corresponding, iPhone 9. The form factor of the iPhone 8 will remain in the new product, including a 4.7-inch screen with noticeable frames and a home button with a Touch ID fingerprint scanner. However, the smartphone will have a more modern platform and 3GB of RAM. As in the original iPhone SE, the device will not support 3D touch to determine the force of pressing the screen. If earlier, analysts predicted the cost of iPhone SE 2 at $399, then Mako Takara reports slightly different data. According to the source, the price will remain at the current cost of the iPhone 8, $449 to $499 or slightly less.